Hello, I'm Sam Lowes. I'm here today with my brother Alex to check out the new EVO-ES modular helmet from Shark, a 2-in-1 helmet. Let's see how it works. Shark Helmets invented a dual homologation for the modular helmet. This helmet is certified as both full face and open face. The EVO-ES uses the same secure chin bar as the EVO-1, which scored 100% in the Shark rating for latch reliability. If you can put it on now.
Definitely.
How is it?
Yeah, honestly, the lining feels really comfortable. It's nice, really nice.
This helmet is designed using the same aerodynamic studies as we do with our race helmets. It also features a patented auto up and auto down system, which is really easy to use, even for Alex.
Let's give it a try. Simple, works really well.
Obviously, it also features a sun visor,
which is operated by this button in the middle, up and down.
And if you can put the visor down for me, please. We have the ventilation in the front and the top, which works really well. Also, the visor is anti-fog and anti-scratch. This helmet is available in a variety of different colours.
And one more thing that's really cool, this little feature of the easy-to-use breathable pad that stops the cold air from rising up and causing the visor to fog. Really cool.
That's it for the EVO-ES. Now, please check out the tech spec.